Hi everyone, Vanakkam. I'm really happy to see all of you again in another important video. This video is created for the people who are interested to know more about the course which we are launched from RDRC recently. That is 3-month weekend online course on video editing mastery. Today we will see all the details. Everything, whatever the question you have will be clarified after this video. So the people who want to join the course can get detailed idea about what is the course, what are the things you need, what are the things you will get. Every information you will learn from this video. Okay, don't wait for that. We'll go into the details. So very important thing why we launched this course. I told you many times the knowledge sharing is very important. Today world, the platform is open to everyone. So one of the very important and influencing source to share the knowledge is video content creation. That will help you to reach more people, as well as it is going to help every one of us to convey or transform or communicate the knowledge we have to the people across the world without any limitations. So this course, Video Editing Mastery, will surely going to help you if you are like to do such initiative from your side. So without waiting further, let us see what are the things you can get it from Video Editing Mastery course. So the Video Editing Mastery course, as I said earlier, this course is mainly designed for the people every walk of life who like to share the knowledge, maybe in various format. Especially I'm wondering that the people who are so much interested in conveying their knowledge, maybe the teachers or the coaches or the creators, especially the creators are the key people. Apart from that, every one of us want to share many experience from different time and learnings. So for me, everyone have the knowledge they can share. So for them, the very important knowledge needed today life is creating the video. So how to do that? So this course is going to help you. Video Editing Mastery, one of the very important course launched from Resource Development and Research Center. So this course, when it is starting, everything we will see again. First, for whom it will be. If you are a creator, coach, or teacher, or professionals, or a trainer, or social change maker, or marketer, and whoever may be and want to create a video that will convey the message what they want to convey to the people. So maybe you want to create a YouTube channel, or you want to share the knowledge as a course, or you want to create the fun videos, or you want to create the video for social changes, or you want to know the hacks behind video creation in faster way, and you want to tell the stories, or you want to create the how-to videos, or if you want to create the cost-effective video, if you want to have the cost-effective video creation solution, this course is for you. So what you will get in this 3-month course? Really, I can confidently say you will 100% this course is for live, and also it is a practical sessions. So you will learn and you will do. So ultimately, end of the course, you can create by yourself. So in the first month, we will be learning more about the non-linear editing, and we will be going to get the software. You don't need to have your own software, because we are going to have download and verify and install the video editing software, and that is going to be free. That is very important. Apart from that, how to add the text and more text effects, and where to get the images, videos, audios which are copyright free, everything you will learn. And then you will learn more about how you can create your own effects, especially for text. And in the first month itself, we will create your own YouTube channel also, if you don't have one. But if you have, how we can optimize all those things we can learn. Then second month we will be learning audio recording software. So this software also free software. free means it is not, you can't, it's just simply there will be a lot of limitations or something like that. No, whatever I am creating today video also, it's created by using those free softwares only. So apart from that, if you are going to create the content in your own languages, for example, I teach the courses in Tamil as well as English. So if I want, I can type the Tamil fonts, which is possible. Similarly, whatever the languages in India, you will get the software for having that fonts typed in your video creation. And apart from this, we will start learning more about the video effects, and cinematic effects, chroma keys, which are very important because people want to have different kind of backgrounds every time when they do the videos. So all those things we will be learning. Apart from the, finally, the very important thing, you will be seeing that when we are watching the movies, we will be amazed how these colors are look very attractive and pleasing, or it is based on the mood it is changing. So those things also we will be learning, color correction and more about LUTs and where you can get such sources, everything we will be learning. Apart from that, how to include the externally processed audios, voices, musics to your video, that also we will be learning. Then month 3, this is very important period. Here we also will get the exposure to industry leading video editing softwares. Apart from then, we will start doing the projects based on your own area of interest or your niche. For example, if you are interested to create the educational videos and social influencing videos, and then you will do the researches, and according to that you will start creating the videos and creative content, musical videos. You must be, you, whatever the area you want to work or you want to create the videos, based on that the projects will be developed. Then we will be reviewing every week, and we will learn the new technique for that particular area, and we will be reviewing the very influencing people in that area, how they are creating the videos, everything. Then we will go to the very important thing, where you can host the videos. For example, if you are going to create the courses, somebody want to keep it in YouTube itself, somebody want to find alternative places to hold with less expenses, more questions will be in your mind. All those things we will be learning from hosting options, and what are the new technologies are coming for future in video editing things, and what you can adapt. Then also we want to see what is the opportunities available for the video editing people. That is very, very important if you want to work for others. So next important thing is bonuses. If you join this course, surely you will be getting free video editing software. I am sure free means really free, and it is open source. So also it is capable to edit up to 4K video. So there is no limitation. It match with the industry standard softwares, which are very costlier, and also you can get the same or better quality than the softwares. Again, we will be getting the second important thing. You want to create the very beautiful cover that is going to attract whenever you are going to create the video. That is like the tools which we can use it for create the your cover images. There will be one special session, and tool will be given introduced to you, and then how to create, that is also one session will be there. Again, third important thing is audio recording software. That tool also you will be get introduced. Then as I said, you will be getting free our multilingual language typing keyboards and softwares. Then special sessions for you on the studio quality sound, how to create the studio quality. Now I am recording in the open play without any studio quality facilities. We will be processing the same content, how to convert it as a look like a studio recorded sound. Then you will be getting the guide, buyer guide for video recording, streaming buyer guide, what are the tools you need to buy, and similarly same for the audio recording buyer guide. Then very important for the people who want to use the local languages fonts, for Tamil fonts and copyright free audio, where you will get that audio resources. This is one of the very important thing when you are uploading the video. Copyright issues we want to avoid, so we should know where we can get the free audio resources, also quality free audio resources. Same way, video resources and image resources, all those things we will see. Finally, one special gift from my side, we can create one 5 number of personalized motion pictures for you of your choice. You give me the 5 images, I will create the 5 personalized motion pictures based on that images. Then that will be a bonus for you. So when my mission is very clear, whatever the course we are creating through RDRC, that will help to empower and contribute to the sustainable development of 1 million individuals, creators, teachers, coaches, mentors, trainers, professionals. So that is our idea, that is our mission. Why we are doing it is very, very simple. If we can create a sustainable individual or contribute to the sustainable individual life, if any individual became a sustainable person, then there will be a possibility of a sustainable society and sustainable world. So ultimately we are contributing to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So that way we are structured these courses. The course will be in English as well as in Tamil. People who want to learn and ask in English, they can get the details. Similarly, Tamil also will be explained. Then very important question, before you decide to join the course, I request you to check whether these resources are available with you. First thing is, you should have dedicated laptop or desktop and internet access, Zoom application. Most of you might have. And this course is not for the people who want to do the editing work in the mobile. Okay, especially for the people who are working in the desktop or video or laptop. What will be the system configuration? That is another important question. If you have any OS, no problem. All the OS this software will work. And minimum storage capacity at least above 250 GB hard disk. It's okay for us. And your processor, your multi-core Intel i5, i7, i9, all are okay. For RAM, you should have at least 4 GB RAM. Okay, that will be help us to do the work better way. But most of us might have the 2 GB for the normal users. If you can upgrade, well and good. Otherwise, it will be look very slow, little bit. But there is a solution in this software also to edit that way. And if you are possible to upgrade up to 8 GB, very well and good, we can use this software, especially for the people who are going to edit 4K videos. They can have the 16 GB or 32 GB. That is very well recommended. Then what will be the course fee and timing? Before going to the timing, the course fees is structured for every month. So every month you will be paying Indian rupees 2,500 per month. So this will be for each month you will be paying 2,500 for 3 months. The course timing every Sunday from 28th November to 2021 to 27th February 2022. Each session we will have 60 to 90 minutes per session. Every Sunday 10:30 AM Indian Standard Time is the time of the course. If you like to register, the link is here. I also added the link in the video description section. You can use that link to join the course. So I will see you in the course. This course is going to be continuous one. Regularly we will be doing this course to support the people who want to transfer their knowledge to the mass of people or want to create the impact in the society. So anytime if you like to know more about this course or if you want to know more about timing and all, you can contact me at this number 944-552-8556, either WhatsApp or Telegram. The registration link is here. Also I included in the description section. And again, I'm really happy to see you during this course. We will be seeing in the next video with more details about the other courses. Slowly we will be creating the courses based on the research what we are doing in the area. Based on that we will be sharing the knowledge. People who already have the video editing knowledge or they want to contribute to the society means I am going to create one big project. They named it as Tamil Nadu 360. If you like to join, you can also join. This important initiative is taken for share the knowledge about the every panchayat financial status to the public. It's a very important goal of the mission of that project is this one. I will be starting from my district first. We have 130 villages, village panchayat. So first I will be sharing that. Already I started, but people who are interested, you can join and you can do it for at least your district or one of your hometown or something like that. That will be going to help us in lot way. In Tamil Nadu we will be going to contribute to the society in different way. To know more about this, you can just search me or find me in Karuli Rasa Mahindran. You can get a lot of information about this project. See you again in the another important and useful and socially contributable videos. Thank you very much. Thank you.